Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing this fragrance, Moschino Forever Sailing. I bought it like one week ago in the store, and let's go. So what you can see in the package, you see Moschino Forever Sailing, the name and the name of the company. It's an eau de toilette concentration. It's 100 ml, and all this stuff. Let's open it. Here is the bottle. Yeah, here is the bottle. Very nice looking bottle. It's like bright blue. I think I can smell already the smell from the atomizer. Here you have the size and the batch code and all this stuff down here. I would say the atomizer is really similar to the atomizer of the Versace Men of Fresh they have here. So yeah, let's spray it. Yeah, very good smell, very fresh. I would describe it really like sailing. The name fits really well with the smell. Yeah, very nice, very nice. I would say it is for the spring and summer. Nothing for the winter and the fall. Yeah, very fresh, very good. I did try the original Moschino Forever. That is not like this. It is more orange brown like, and I didn't like this one at all. So yeah, I like this one and I bought this one. Yeah, that's all basically. I don't think it is for the night, it is for the day. It is more for the day, yeah. And this one is very nice, very nice. I bought it for something like $30, $28, $30 in this range. On discounts you can get it even for something like $25. Yeah, really nice one. And I've heard that this one lasts a really long time. So yeah, very good for the price. You get with this one very good quality for the price. So yeah, the Moschino Forever Sailing, the unboxing. Thank you for watching. Have a great day or night, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care and bye.